So in this video, I'm going to talk about simplifying the irrational expressions. And the question asks us, simplify the below term right over here. And the below term is 19n to the third power plus 38 times n squared over minus 57 times n to the third power plus 38 times n squared. And it asks us to simplify this term right over here. So I'll write this term again. 19 times n to the third power plus 38 times n squared over minus 57 times n to the third power. I need to write a little bit below because I can't really see it right over here. Minus 57 n to the third power plus 38 times n squared. A lot of people think that we can simplify 38 times n squared and 38 times n squared right over here. But we can't, because these terms right over here is basically has parentheses right over here. So we can simplify this expression, and there are ways of simplifying it, and we can just simplify numerator and denominator by their common expressions, and we can simplify this term. So if you were to do that, so it's equal to, what is the 19 times n to the third power plus 38 times n squared? What is the common expression in this case? Well, in the both sides, it can be divided by 19 times n squared. It can divide by 19 times n squared, and then if we write these numbers, we can pull out these numbers from this numerator expression right over here. So if you pull out this expression, the numerator, it will going to be equal to 19 times n squared. And this term divided by 19 times n squared is equal to n, because 19 and 19 we're going to cancel out, and n times n to the third power divided by n squared is equal to n to the third power minus n squared, which is just going to be equal to n. And plus 38 times n squared divided by 19 n squared is just going to be equal to 2, because the n squared we're going to cancel out, and 38 divided by 19 is equal to 2. So if I write this a little bit neater, this n plus 2 over, in this expression, this numerator, over this negative 57 times n to the third power plus 38 times n to n squared. If you pull out the common term, in this case, common monomial, so it's going to be equal to, let's see, 57 is divisible by 19, and 38 is also divisible by 38. If you can't do it, we can make these sign right over here, and negative 57 and 38 is divided by 19, which is in this case 2, and minus, let's see, 3. So with using this expression, we figure out that the common monomial in this case, in the denominator, we're going to be equal to 19 times n squared, because they both have n squared in it. So 19n squared, parenthesis, negative 57 times n to the third power divided by 19 times n squared is equal to negative 3n, plus this term divided by this term is equal to, just going to be equal to 2. So we have figured out that these numerators and denominators can be simplified with this 19 times n squared, 19 times n squared. But we need to know that before we simplify it, if you multiply this and this, which is distributive property, you will gonna get the exact term with this term right over here. And if you use this 3 property either in this case, oh, I didn't write it, minus 3n plus 2. If you also use this 3 property in this case, you're also gonna get exact term right over here. So if you simplify it more, the 19n squared we're gonna be divisible by the both numerator and denominator, and the expression we're gonna be simplified as the numerator n plus 2, and in the denominator minus 3n plus 2. And we can really simplify this expression algebraically because there are no more the common expressions that can be simplified both numerator and denominator. So our answer was n plus 2 in the numerator divided by over negative 3n plus 2